how to link email on Framer. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your email in Framer. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for framer.com. That's the official website, and then you have to click on login and log into your account, Framer account. And after that you have to create a new project, and after clicking on new project you just have to wait for the new project to open. And when the new project is open, you have to just click on the text field from here and just simply write a text here. And after that you have to just select the text from here, and on the right hand side corner you can see there are multiple options. So you just have to click on link to and type mail to and then colon and then give a space and give your email address which you want to link in this framework. So I have given my email address, and you just have to click on enter. And after clicking on enter you just have to click on publish from here, and after clicking on publish you just have to publish it on the Framer app demo domain. And after that you can just click on uh, the you just click on the link and it will redirect you to the email address as you can see here. I built it, and if I click on it, it will redirect you to the email address. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.